Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, thank you for coming to this presentation. We are from Group 6. First of all, let me introduce our member. First, Dea Afirsta with certain number 134200253, Adistyani Humaimah C with certain number 134200254, and myself, Putri Gracia A with certain number 134200255. In this presentation, we will discuss about pest classification.
Pest or morphology. Phylum Asalmintes. The member of the phylum who is a pest is from class Nematodes. Nematoda has character very small in size. It has a elongated form of cylindris with the exception of Heterodera, Melodogene, Tilenchulus, Rotilenchulus, or Nekebus-shaped kidney. No segments and narrow body hairs. Colorless and transparent when the color is actually just the color of the food. It has no circulation and breathing apparatus. His body grows 3 sheets of flustula. Example, Rhodopolosus similis. Phylum Mollusca. The member of the phylum with much of a pest is from gastropods. Animals indivisible with his body is soft and can be pulled inside the shell if there. Her head and feet were bilateral in symmetry. His stomach is spiral and some is wrapped in a shell and some don't. The foot is located on the ventral section used for crawling. There are 2 pairs of extendable and retractable tentacles go back. At the end of the station is the eye. The mouth on anterior section is equipped with scar teeth or radula. Genital holes on the right side of the head. The reproductive system is hermaphrodite because it has those of testes can produce both egg and sperm. The anus and venation are located at the bordering point of the body with a shell edge. Example, Azatina folica. Phylum Arthropoda. The member of the phylum whose much of a pest is from Arachnida class and Insecta class. Animals indivisible with the body and legs are segmented. The body is divided into 2 or 3 parts. Additional divides, wings, antennas, legs, pyrrhot, and segmented. The outer wall of the body is a skeleton or exoskeleton. Example, Tetranychus bimajulatus for Arachnida class and Phalangandicornis for Insecta class. Phylum Chordata. The pest's most prized member is the mammal class. Among the animals from this class are the elephant, the bird, the mouse, the drill squirrel. Common characteristic of mammals. Her whole body is protected and covered by tiny hairs. It's fully equipped with mammary glands, generally born except duckbill animals bark. Their young chicks with their young, often called lactating animal. Its temperature is unaffected by food and environment.
Based on symptoms of damage. Chewing mouth parts. Damage from insects with chewing mouth parts typically appears on leaves or stems as ragged edges, holes, or other missing tissue. Insects that often cause chewing damage include caterpillars and eastern-labered grasshoppers. Piercing sucking mouth parts. Insects with piercing sucking mouth parts have strong mandibles that they move laterally to often cause yellowing or browning on plants and possible wilting. Examples include aphids, scales, spider mites, and whiteflies. Pest insects can also be classified by the types of damage they cause. For example, defoliators tend to feed voraciously and strip a plant nearly bare. Many caterpillars fall into this category. Other insects include leaf miners, which burrow into the leaves of plants, leaving telltale tunnels in the leaves. One well-known leaf miner is the citrus leaf miner, which is actually a larval stage of a moth. Gall makers. Gall makers insert all or part of their body into plant tissue, typically into leaves, stems, or twigs, and cause the tissue to swell. Examples include blueberry gall midge larvae that burrow into leaves to feed, and gall wasps that deposit their eggs into plant tissue. Wood or phloem borers. Wood or phloem borers include twig killers and powder paws pillars that cause damage by feeding on living wood and wooden structure.
Based on part of plant being attacked. First, leaf. Pest causes damage by attacking the leaf of a plant. For example, you can see the left side. There is a picture of shot holes caused by leaf beetles, which bore holes right through, found on herbs and salad brassicas. And the second picture is notch margins, caused by black fine weevil, insect with large strong cutting mouth which is chewing up the leaves, making a scale pattern. Stem. Pest causes damage by attacking the stem of a plant. For example, on the left side, there is a picture of streaking, caused by thrips, cripes and has weaker mouth, characterized by stunting of a plant, the loss of bright green colors. And the right picture is a bark ripping, caused by moth and beetles borer. Root. Pest causes damage by attacking the root of a plant. For example, the first picture is root damage, caused by grapes, carrot root, fly, onion fly, etc. And the second picture is wheat root, caused by Ralstonia bacteria, secrete a designing where an enzyme around root and cause the plant wheat. Last but not least, flower. Pest causes damage by attacking the flower of a plant. Example, flower root, caused by a fungus named Otritis cinerea pers VR. The symptoms are that some black spots in flower buds. Well, that's all from us. Thank you for your kind attention to join this presentation. If you have any question, please comment down below. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.